reception. I think the most important thing I took from Indonesia is the heart of the people. People is very humble. They show the love, and when they have idols, they follow for all places. So this is what I feel in Indonesia. I do my best. I try to show how the futsal is in Europe, and I'm very happy to be here again.
Do you prepare any special skill for the match on Saturday?
No. Nothing special. Always the same things, but in the best moment. Because I think we already know what we do, but sometimes the decision when to do makes the difference. So we'll do our best. We already practice together. We have many talent, individual talent, like the coach said. But one player win one game and one team win a tournament. So we will do like a team. It's a long time I was here, like 2 years, but they always receive me with love. But I think we need to thanks to the president, the boss, who organized this event, because they give a big opportunity to give big opportunity to the young Indonesian players to play with Falcao, running with Ortiz. I think it's a big day for them. We never know when it will happen again, so enjoy the moment because we will enjoy it.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya, Bola Spotter.